Yeah, that thing there, you're nice. That. Man, I come down through that. I ain't hook up my alternator. Truck shut off in the middle of traffic, man. I ain't have my alternator hooked up. I'm wondering why. I'm like, man, this is my first show, and it ain't even what we call it. Yeah, it be Lake George all the time. Yeah, that's a nice. I like that. I like that antifreeze green, man. I love that green. Yeah, I love that green, man. See how it turned different colors? Look at it through here. Look how it turned different colors through here. Yeah. Yeah, she gonna draw for the car show. Yeah, people's choice. I don't know that. I did about a $10,000, $15,000 paint job on that thing there. Yeah. Yeah, that thing there is nice too. Yeah. That thing clean. I like that old chevy right there. That's it. Oh, yeah. I tried to call him earlier. Yeah, I sure tried to call that dude earlier. That burgundy. Yeah, that burgundy on there. Yeah. Wine.
You got the space shifter in that one.
Yeah, it's about that airplane shifter.
Yeah. Nah, okay.
Yeah. It's just more dependable. People like, man, you buy this with them cheap parts.
I like that old truck right there, C10 too. Yeah, that thing, they got an engine out of the world up in there. Blower in that thing, that man. Yeah. Oh, that thing, that's souped up too now. Yeah, that thing souped up too there. I like that. I like that old Grand National. At that old car show, getting it in. Yeah, at the old car show. Me and my pastor Tavis, man.
Yeah, that's right.
Pastor Tavis, my pastor,
that's right.
Yeah, me and my pastor at the car show, do it all the time, man. Do it all the time. I like that, man.
I had to shut the gospel thing down tomorrow and
Yeah.
go to the car show. I was gonna hook
Hey,
I was gonna hook the old caddy up on back of
what do we call it?
Escalade.
Yeah. Well, hey, what do we call my boy? Hey, let's go get us some trailer tomorrow, man.
I can't do it because I gotta go do this stuff. Man, I'm tired up from 1 o'clock to 9 o'clock.
I like that mom right there. Hey, I had one of them. I had a black and gold like that, hurt those colors, but I had the one with the T-top though. I had one of them. I had a black and gold. 79 hurt those colors.
Boss hole.
Yeah, them boss holes.
Yeah. Boss hole. Boy, I like this car.
Yeah. Yeah, them some big boy toys right there. Yeah, them big boy toys right there, man. That's a Chevy engine on that car, on that motorcycle, man. Yeah, that's a Chevy engine. Yeah, that was the ball saw. That's a Chevy engine. That's a car engine on that. Yeah, that's a beast there. Yeah, that's a beast there. Hey, get that old rig over there. Hey, pals, get that old, get that old rig over there too, dog. Can't leave the rig. Hey, can't leave the rig out, dog. Yeah, can't leave the rig out.
That's why I want that big old black one like this.
Yeah, can't leave the rig out.
Get that money to buy the car.
Boy, that yellow stand out so bad over there, man. It's a shame though, man. That old yellow light. Fire truck.
You ain't playing with him either, no.
No, I ain't playing with him. No.
This thing here.
That's that 440 right there. Yeah. What that is? A 65 C10 truck?
That's it. I feel like
Yeah. That's Brother Derek truck right there. Hey, I ain't finished with her yet. I ain't finished with her yet. I still got a little more tweaking to do. A little more tweaking to do on them. We walk around that thing, man. I got a little more tweaking to do. You know, I'm in the game with the big boys too now, you know what I'm saying? Don't count me out. Don't count me out. Yeah, don't count me out now. Yeah, don't count me out. Keep me in the game. Keep me in the game, coach. Show y'all the inside of this old thing. This is my bed. The old bed up in there with the gas tank up in that thing. Just went and bought a new water pump for my old engine that I got down up in here. This interior, this thing all the way together up in here. No, I ain't playing with him, man. Yeah.
The rim's nice. But it's seen it. Man, we don't chop it down. We don't chop it down. Man,